make lively wallpaper display on multiple monitors. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make lively display. You may have noticed that even if you have installed the lively wallpaper on your Windows 11 or 10, it may not be showing both on your both monitors screens. So what you need to do is come over or open your lively wallpaper application. If you haven't downloaded already, you can download it from the any of your favorite browser. And once inside here, just select this option top. So once you select this TV option at the top, you will be getting this screen. That's a control panel. So you will have two options to choose your display from. If you are only getting this wallpaper on your first screen, then just select the second screen as well and simply duplicate the same wallpaper. You can see the option, just enable it. Once you enable the option, you can simply close the wallpaper, and boom, just like that, you should have successfully have a multiple monitors with the same wallpaper, just like that. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.